In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS records in Cloudflare. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make so your domain points to the right place. If you're new to this, think of DNS as the internet's phone book. When someone types your domain, DNS tells browsers which server to visit. Before you start, have the correct domain in your Cloudflare account and the server address provided by your hosting or service provider. First, open your Cloudflare account by signing into the dashboard. If you manage multiple domains, take a moment to confirm you're in the right account. Having the correct login ensures you can see and edit the DNS for the domain you want. Next, click on the specific domain you want to update. This opens the domain's overview page. Double-check the domain at the top to avoid editing the wrong one, especially if you work with several projects. Now find and click the DNS option in the navigation. This takes you to DNS management, where all existing records are listed. You'll be working in the records section. Click the Add Record button. A small form appears where you'll choose what kind of DNS record you're adding and provide the details. In the Type menu, select the appropriate record. For most situations where you're pointing a host name to an IPv4 address, choose A. If your provider gave you an IPv6 address, you'd use HAPO-A. If you're pointing one name to another host name, that would be a C name. Pick the type that matches the information you were given. In the name field, enter the host name you're setting up. Use the root symbol if you're targeting the bare domain, or enter a subdomain like www or app, exactly as you want it to resolve. In the IP address field, paste the server address provided by your hosting or service provider. Be careful to avoid extra spaces or typos. A single wrong digit will send traffic to the wrong place. Review the entry one more time to make sure it matches what your provider supplied. When everything looks correct, click Save. You'll see the new record appear in the list. Changes typically apply quickly on Cloudflare's side, but full DNS propagation on the internet can take a little time. If you don't see it working right away, give it a moment and then test again. Also remember that local DNS caches and your browser can hold on to old results. Testing in a private window or on another network can help you see the update sooner. That's it. Open your Cloudflare account, click the specific domain, go to DNS, open records, add a record, select the type, enter the name and IP address, and save. Your DNS change is now in place and ready to serve users.